I'm Sarah Hashim-Waris in the Los Angeles Times newsroom. You know when you're really parched? Well, that's how the state of California feels. For the first time in 15 years, 100% of the Golden State is experiencing some level of drought following a lack of precipitation over the last 3 rain seasons. New numbers from the National Climatic Data Center show that almost 77% of the state is dealing with what's categorized as extreme drought conditions, while the rest of the state is under an exceptional level of dryness. The Times reports that residents in many cities have been asked to voluntarily cut down on water use. In municipalities such as Santa Cruz, however, customers will be required to reduce their water use by 25% or face stiff financial penalties, a first for the city. For more, visit LAtimes.com and @LANow on Twitter for the latest updates.